Welcome to the best pick. The Best No Mo is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for managing unwanted hair removal at home, offering a convenient and less painful alternative to traditional methods. This brand has gained significant traction for its unique approach to waxing, providing a range of products designed for ease of use and professional quality results right in your own bathroom. If you're tired of expensive salon visits or messy at-home kits, No Mo might just be the game changer you've been searching for, promising smoother skin with less hassle. Number 5. Kitsch Dermaplane Razor for Women Face. Achieve smoother, radiant skin with our Dermaplane razor. It gently removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz for a refreshed complexion. Designed for both women and men, this versatile tool is perfect for facial grooming. It helps refine your skin's texture and appearance. Shape your eyebrows with precision and ease. This razor helps maintain perfectly defined brows between salon visits. Incorporate this exfoliating facial razor into your skincare routine. It's an essential tool for achieving a smoother, brighter complexion. Experience a gentle yet effective dermaplaning treatment at home. It leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and revitalized. This sleek black dermaplane razor is not only effective but also stylish. It's a practical addition to your beauty collection. What we like? Achieve effortlessly smooth skin with these facial razors. They offer gentle exfoliation to reveal a brighter complexion. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to remove peach fuzz and dead skin cells for a smoother makeup application, these are perfect for you. What people say. The product is very easy to use and the results are amazing. I love the design of this product, it's sleek and modern. The functionality is top-notch, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Number 4. XSOUL At-Home IPL Hair Removal Device. Introducing the XSOUL IPL Hair Removal Device, bringing the professionalism of beauty salons right to your home. It uses advanced IPL technology to break the cycle of hair regrowth for smooth, hairless skin. With over 999,999 flashes, this device is designed to last for years. You can save thousands of dollars compared to professional laser hair removal appointments. It features 5 adjustable power levels to suit your skin type. Simply press the button to select the level that's right for you, starting from level 1. This device offers both manual and auto modes for different areas. Use manual mode for smaller areas like the bikini line and auto mode for larger areas like legs and arms. Your purchase includes the IPL hair removal device, razors, protective eyewear, and an instruction manual. Follow the guide for faster hair removal. We offer a 36-month warranty and a 100-day money-back policy for your peace of mind. Enjoy a premium customer support experience. What we like? Experience long-lasting hair reduction with this advanced IPL device. Its painless treatment makes it comfortable for full-body use. If you desire permanently smoother skin on your legs, arms, bikini line, and more, and want to save money on salon visits, this is an excellent choice. What people say. My hair was not growing as thick anymore and almost practically disappeared. I used to shave that part like every 2 weeks and now I won't have to. After just 1 week of using it daily, I already notice a difference. I'm actually really surprised. Not only has the hair hardly grown back, but the small hairs on my chin that have, I went to pluck them and they basically just fell out like they weren't even attached to a hair follicle anymore. Yorum yapmak isen 3 kullandım. 2 ay sonrasında ise kalarda gazel fark edilir azalma fark ettim. 3 te2 yok almosta resmen. Number 3. ECOBEE 3 Lite Thermostat EB-STATe3L-01. Introducing the ECOBEE 3 Lite. It intelligently manages your home's temperature, ensuring comfort when you need it. It seamlessly integrates with Amazon Alexa for convenient voice control. Just speak your commands to adjust the temperature. Get set up in 30 minutes or less. Our mobile app and free expert support guide you through a simple, step-by-step installation. Receive monthly reports detailing your energy savings. Discover personalized tips to reduce consumption and save even more. Gain peace of mind with intelligent monitoring. It keeps an eye on your HVAC system and alerts you to potential issues. It learns your local weather and schedule to automatically maintain your ideal comfort level. Enjoy the perfect temperature, day and night. What we like? Upgrade your home comfort with this smart thermostat. It offers intelligent control and significant energy savings. If you want to easily manage your home's temperature, save on energy bills, and enjoy a more comfortable living environment, this device is ideal. What people say. Super easy to install. Simply connected the wires, powered on unit, followed directions on setup, and it was working flawlessly. I can control the units 4 ways, on the thermostat itself, using the web portal, via the phone app and via HomeKit, as they directly plug into the Apple HomeKit environment. With the ECOBEE, I can put sensors in all the rooms and it does its best to keep all the rooms in the desired range, but only if it detects people in those rooms. Number 2. No-7 Menopause Skincare Firm and Bright Eye Concentrate. Introducing a revolutionary eye concentrate designed specifically for menopausal skin. It's formulated to address the unique concerns of the delicate eye area during this life stage. Experience a revitalizing effect that combats dark circles and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. This cream works to refresh and awaken tired-looking eyes. Specifically created to tackle under-eye puffiness and smooth out fine lines. Achieve a firmer, brighter look around your eyes with consistent use. Enjoy the instant cooling sensation from the convenient roller applicator. It provides a refreshing burst, perfect for soothing tired eyes anytime. This is more than just an eye cream, it's a targeted menopause relief solution. It helps to restore a youthful and rested appearance to your eyes. See a visible difference as your skin becomes firmer and brighter. This concentrate is your ally in achieving a more radiant and revitalized eye contour. What we like. Target signs of aging and fatigue with this specialized eye concentrate. It provides cooling relief and brightens the under-eye area. If you are experiencing menopausal changes and looking for a solution to combat dark circles, wrinkles, and under-eye puffiness, this product is designed for you. What people say. The product is very easy to use and apply. It is a great alternative to waxing and other hair removal methods. The results are smooth and long-lasting. Number 1. Mo-Stache Portable Lip Wax Kit. Tired of unwanted facial hair? Introducing a revolutionary solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This kit is designed for your busy lifestyle. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups, ensuring you always look your best. Experience a gentle yet effective hair removal process. It's formulated to be kind to your skin while delivering powerful results. Say goodbye to complicated routines. This kit offers a simple and straightforward application, making hair removal a breeze. Get more for your money with this convenient bundle. You'll have plenty on hand for consistent grooming and maintenance. Enjoy the confidence of smooth skin wherever you go. This portable solution ensures you're always ready for any occasion. What we like. Get smooth, hair-free results on the go with this portable lip wax kit. It's perfect for quick touch-ups and convenient hair removal. If you need a discreet and effective solution for unwanted upper lip hair between salon visits or while traveling, this bundle is a great option. What people say. Works great, removed all hairs with no problems and no irritation after. And I have sensitive skin. I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting it to be so easy. I just used blow dryer to heat up, then I applied. I held my cheek taut and pulled from lip towards nose. There were a few little hairs that I missed or were stubborn, but I reapplied and off they came. Been using for the last 8 years. Must have for someone who needs a quick fix and doesn't always have the time to visit a salon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.